What are smoothies and how do you make one? It's funny we haven't yet covered it and we are halfway through the guide. What exactly is a smoothie? A smoothie is a thick beverage blend of different vegetables and fruits. Green smoothies use green vegetables such as spinach, celery, cucumbers, green apples, etc. The beauty of a smoothie is that you get many different nutrients, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants at one go. With the correct recipe, your smoothie will not only be healthy, but it will also be tasty. Many people believe that healthy food and tasty food cannot be reconciled. This is false. You can make a healthy and tasty smoothie. Unlike normal smoothies, you will not be using yogurt or milk to make your smoothie. The key here is to keep things natural. Many of the latest studies also show that milk and dairy products are not as beneficial as they were purported to be in the past. In fact, most are detrimental to one's health. Since the goal here is to keep things raw and natural, the best way to make a smoothie will be to use chilled vegetables and fruit. It has been shown that smoothies taste better when they are cold. It is better to use cold ingredients rather than to make a smoothie with vegetables at room temperature and chill it later on. You will need good blender too. You can get one from your nearest appliance store or you could buy it online from Amazon, which goes without saying. Do your research online first and make an informed decision as we all have different needs and budgets. Add 2 or 3 cups of your green vegetables into the blender. Add 1 cup of water and if you have a sweet tooth, you can add some apple juice or pineapple juice to the mix. Turn on the blender smoothie maker till you have a thick blend. Congrats! You have a smoothie that's good to go.